It is said that Jupiter is actually a failed star. So, what would happen if Jupiter actually became a star? What would it take for Jupiter to ignite and become a second sun? And how would it affect our planet and change the entire solar system? Here is what would happen if Jupiter actually became a star. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system and has more than twice the mass of all of the other planets in the solar system combined. Although it does not have enough mass to ignite a fission reaction in its core and become a star. In fact, even if all the planets in the solar system collided with Jupiter in order to make it a star, it would still not work. It would still lack the mass to become a star. If you want to make Jupiter a star, you will need to give it the mass equivalence of 80 Jupiters crushed together. So, Jupiter's dreams of joining the star club are impossible. So, in order to make Jupiter a star, you would have to import the mass equivalence of 79 Jupiters from outside the solar system and merge it with Jupiter. Now, it would be 15 to 20% bigger than its current size. The extra mass would simply make it a lot more denser. Jupiter would be a small, cool hydrogen-burning star. That doesn't really mean we would have two suns in the sky. Like all red dwarfs, it would not be bright. It would only produce about 0.3% the light the sun produces. So, at the distance of Jupiter from the Earth would not get much of its light or heat. A Jupiter star would appear red in the sky and just a bit brighter than the moon. Its gravity would slightly affect planetary orbits. Apart from that, we would live our normal lives with two suns in the sky, one 99.7% brighter than the other. Things would go wrong if you increase Jupiter's mass by 1000 times. Now, it would be 19 times brighter and the solar system would go wild. The Jupiter star would live for around 10 trillion years, while our sun is expected to live for around 5 billion years. That is because smaller stars live longer than bigger ones. Planetary orbits would be messed with. Some planets might be ejected outside of the solar system, making them rogue planets. It is hard to predict what would happen to the Earth, but what I know is that the Earth would be bombarded by a lot of space rocks. For me, having one star in the solar system is enough. What about you? Jupiter has a lot of importance as a planet and doesn't need to be a star. Now, back to one sun. Let us imagine what would happen if we have no sun entirely. Our star went out. Let's leave that topic for another video. For now, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our weekly uploads. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.